How to start investing in precious metals with $1,000. Starting an investment journey with precious metals may seem like a pursuit reserved for the wealthy, but it doesn't have to be. With just $1,000, it's possible to take the first step towards securing financial stability and adding tangible value to a portfolio. Precious metals like gold and silver provide unique opportunities to preserve wealth and hedge against economic uncertainties, making them an excellent choice for beginners looking to maximize their resources. The enduring appeal of precious metals lies in their ability to maintain value over time. Unlike paper currencies, which are susceptible to inflation and economic fluctuations, gold and silver have demonstrated consistent worth for centuries. With $1,000, an investor can begin building a foundation for financial security that is less dependent on the volatility of markets and external economic forces. Silver is one of the most accessible entry points into precious metals. Its affordability makes it an excellent choice for building a solid position without exceeding a $1,000 budget. Compared to gold, silver's lower cost per ounce allows investors to acquire a more substantial quantity, creating a strong foundation for diversification. Beyond its monetary value, silver also plays a crucial role in various industries, adding another layer of demand and potential for growth. This dual-purpose appeal makes silver a practical and impactful option for beginners entering the precious metals market. For those drawn to the stability and allure of gold, fractional gold coins, or bars, provide an attainable starting point. These smaller denominations enable beginners to invest in gold without exceeding a $1,000 budget. The U.S. Gold Bureau provides an extensive selection of fractional gold products, ensuring that investors can find the right fit for their goals. Diversification is a smart strategy when beginning with $1,000. Allocating the majority of funds to silver for its affordability and a portion to fractional gold establishes a well-rounded portfolio. Additionally, incorporating investment coins can add a unique dimension to an investment strategy. Numismatic coins combine intrinsic value with historical significance and rarity, offering the potential for significant appreciation over time. The U.S. Gold Bureau specializes in helping clients navigate this niche, making it easier to identify coins that align with long-term objectives. With $1,000, an investor can acquire more than just precious metals. They can gain financial security and a hedge against future uncertainties. The U.S. Gold Bureau is committed to making this process straightforward, providing expert support and access to top-tier products. By taking the first step today, an investor can transform $1,000 into a meaningful foundation for building wealth and securing a more stable financial future. With decades of expertise in precious metals, the U.S. Gold Bureau provides trusted guidance on starting and managing your precious metals investment. Call us today at 877-671-3145 to explore how precious metals can help you secure and grow your wealth.